Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine. I am your nursery class teacher. Take out your English DLP of week 3. Student, and this week we will learn about the alphabet F. It is the 6th alphabet in English. Let's start a poem before starting our lesson. S for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. Here you are given a website. On this website you will find a game, the alphabet goop. And this one game, two boxes will appear on the screen with different letters on them. Then a picture appear. You have to drag that one picture towards the correct box. Student, you have to name the objects that start with the letter F, and we will find the letters through our reading. This is a book. This is capital F and this one is small f. The sound of F is F. F says F. For feather, for fan, for frog, for fork. Read again. F says F. For feather, for fan, for frog, for fork. There are a lot more things that start with the letter F. Student, on day 3, here you are again given a game. I spy with my little eyes something beginning with the letter F. As I told you in the previous lesson, in this game you have to choose one thing from your surrounding that start from the letter F. And your friend has to guess that one thing by asking you different questions. They have to ask you questions and they have to guess the thing that start from the letter F. With this lesson you are given a worksheet. This is your worksheet. Look here. NAME, name. Write your name here. DATE, date. Write the date here. Look at the question. Write the first letter of each picture. Here you are given 4 pictures. You have to look at the picture and you have to write the letter from which the picture is started. The first thing is duck. Listen the sound D, and D is the sound of D. So duck start from D. Write D in the box given to you. The next thing is flower. Hear the sound F. F is the sound of F. So flower starts from F. Write F in the box given to you. The next thing is 5. Hear the sound F. F is again the sound of F. So 5 starts from F. The next thing is frog. Hear the sound F. F is again the sound of F. So frog starts from F. Write F in the box given to you. Okay, now come to the next question. Write the letter F, capital F and small f. Student, you have to write the capital and small f in the 4 lines. The sky line, fence line, grass line and root line. We will start F from the sky line, come to the fence line, then to the root line. This is capital F and the small f starts from the sky line, come to the fence line and then the grass line. This is small f. Again write capital F followed by the small f. Then again capital F, small f. Our first line is completed. With the same sequence, start the second line. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. Our second line is also completed. Now with the same sequence you have to complete the second line and the fourth line. Student, look here. On day 5 you have to draw 2 objects that start with the letter F in the notebook. Student, you have to draw 2 things in your notebook. This is your English notebook. First, draw lines on the blank page. Draw lines with a ruler. We have to prepare this one page for the drawing. Student, as we are drawing two things, so I am going to divide the page in two parts. Our page is prepared. Now on the top of the page write classwork, but in short we write CW. CW stand for classwork. Here write the date, DATE, date. You have to write the date here. Now on this line you have to write topic, TOPIC, topic. As we are drawing things that start from the letter F, so our topic is F. Write capital F and small f. Now I am drawing flower. Flower starts from F. F says for flower. Student, you have to do all the work with the help of a pencil. You have to draw neat and clean. Our flower is completed. Write the spelling of flower here. F L O W E R, flower. On the next thing I'll draw is fish. F says for fish. Write the spelling of fish here. F I S H, fish. Student, draw finishing line as our work is completed in notebook. You can also color the pictures. With this, our week 3 work is completed. Take care and Allah Hafiz.